Hello there, I am Gurpreet Kaur from Top Class Real Estate, and today I am going to show you a 2-bedroom Asian style villa in Falcon City of Wonders. Let's go have a tour of the house. The ground floor features a closed kitchen with built-in cabinets and a pantry, a maid's room with ensuite bath and a guest toilet. The living area is spacious and has direct access to the private garden. This 2-bedroom villa stands at a built-up area of 2,850 square foot and a plot size of 2,907. The upper floor features a closed family sitting area and an attached pantry and a 2-bedroom. We are offering this property for 160,000, and if you're interested, please do give us a call.